Welcome to the intro video on NFT art. If you're interested in creating your own NFT art, watch this video series. It will provide you with the information you need to start down the path of minting your digital art. But first, let's talk a little about NFT art. Digital artwork with expensive price tags. With the development of new technology, blockchain has brought about a revolution in art trading. It delivers a new experience for art traders, investors, and collectors. An art piece from the CryptoPunk collection sold for more than $500,000. The infamous Bored Ape Yacht Club sold a piece for over $183,000. Fidenza sold a piece for more than $820,000. If you have ever come across any NFT art piece, you might mistake them for silly graphic creations, but these NFT art is the rage of the blockchain network. Watch for more videos on NFT art. The videos demonstrate each of the two methods for transforming your digital art into NFT art. You can also visit the website for articles related to blockchain technology, including NFTs and NFT art. You can find the links to the articles and related videos in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Your support is greatly appreciated. See you in the next video.